Position of Gulika is extremely important when it comes to horary astrology. If Gulika is in 5th, 9th and 8th house, it is bad in the Prashna. Malefics should be in 311. Benefics should not be in those sthanas, that is 3, 6, 8, 12, or Trika houses rather. If that is the situation, then seeing the Prashna, you can say no problem to the health. Second point, most important point, Lagna or Lagna Lord afflicted will show ill health in the Prashna. There are many such rules, many rules. Remembering them is very difficult. You should have a separate book for each topic in Prashna. Write down those notes and regularly by heart them. Now, in general, you should, there are many people in the waiting room, just admit them. In general, you should observe when a query comes. The query might be on anything, any topic, say job or this or that. But if you see a health issue, you must warn the client. The biggest challenge that comes in, the client is going to ask you, suppose somebody comes with a prashna for health. The client will ask you, when will my health problem go and how will it go? Is there any upay? The easiest upay is donation of food items equal to your weight. It is called tulada. Then there is another remedy followed in South India, which is to donate rice equal to your weight and at the same time to do Ganesh Abhishekam, Ganpati Abhishek. This was told to me by someone, I'm forgetting that person's name. Many temples in South India give so much of importance to Tuladan. Okay, they have a huge what is called weighing scale, the sign of Libra, the weighing scale. So in one side they'll make you sit, and on the other side they'll put the food grain that you brought, or they themselves keep the food grain. Okay, and do it. Specialized temple like Subramanyam's Swami temple, which you have to travel from Mangalore. Okay, there they have facility of Tuladan, and they have many grains. They will have rice, they will have wheat, they will have till, white till, this thing, everything they will have. So depending on the planet, one second. Depending on the planet, you can donate. Suppose one planet is giving you a disease. So corresponding to that planet, there will be a food grain. What normally should be followed as a practice in your family, whether you are going to temple or not, is to donate food grain equal to your weight whose birthday is there. Suppose your son's birthday is there. So equal to his weight. Okay, you donate to a temple or to a vriddhashram or any ashram. I myself follow that practice since few years. Equal to your weight. If you're not sure of your weight, 1 week beforehand, be prepared and get your weight checked. Now here there are two things. Either you follow the Western system of your birthday, or you follow the Tithi Pravesh day. Both can be different. I would suggest Tithi Pravesh day, because that's your actual birth day. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Jitendra, another good practice is to donate on your nakshatra day. If you can afford, every month when your nakshatra comes, donate it, depending on the health situation. You need not wait the whole year. Now, a very general method I'm giving right now, that I want people to note it down, practice it in Prashna. And what is Prashna? Suppose I tell you to submit this research or submit this within 1 week. Okay. So you'll say, sir, nobody is consulting me for Prashna. The traditional method of Prashna is when somebody comes and asks you a question. I am the Gunda of astrology. I like to be a rebel. I like to experiment. Whether somebody asks you a Prashna or not, every moment is a Prashna. Please tell me which is the Karaka for lemon. Thank you. Anybody?
Sir Rahu?
11 house, you are saying? Or
Lemon. Limbu.
Is it Ketu?
lemon.
It's
Moon,
Jupiter.
Saturn.
केतु
Saturn.
कटाई देखा
Any
जाए
reference
तो
work?
Sir,
Anybody?
Moon.
Any reference work anybody has?
सर लाल किताब से it is a Jupiter and खटाई है इस करके it can be केतु also.
As per essential oils, lemon oil is Karka of moon. So, right, I don't know of actual lemon.
Do a Prashna right now. Everybody do a Prashna right now for Mumbai. You will find Moon in the Lagna, Jupiter in the 7th house, Ketu in the 4th house, and Rahu in the 10th house.
Yes, sir. That's
That's
moon
correct,
Lagna.
sir. Moon Lagna.
Now, I am saying I do not know which is the Karaka for lemon. I can be wrong. I asked my wife to make lemon juice just right now, exactly 40 seconds before she brought the lemon juice and gave it to me, which I'm drinking. So, 7th house is wife. Over there, Jupiter is placed. So, what do you think so should be the Karaka of lemon?
Jupiter, sir.
Sir, because Ketu is follower of Jupiter.
Moon, sir.
So, Prashna is very tough, right? Everybody,
Yes, sir.
do you all agree?
Sir, I always think it's Venus. I don't know.
Sorry?
I think it's Venus.
Okay. Jupiter is Jeev Karaka. Lemon, some say is acidic, recently on the net and some health site I read, lemon is acidic, but when it goes inside your body, it becomes alkaline. I hope people are aware this. I've tested it during my earlier days of martial arts, that when you get a cut in the body and there is blood flowing, immediately apply lemon juice.
Yes.
Skin forms instantly, very fast. Instant is please the wrong word. Very fast. Please keep on admitting people. The pop-up comes.
Yes, sir.
Next thing, what I heard, okay, during my younger days. So we were all martial artists. We all used to practice 3-hour sessions, 5-hour sessions. We used to come before the class, practice for 2 hours. After the class, again 2 hours we used to practice. So they used to, all my friends used to say, drink lemon juice. It contains the energy of half of a goat. Itna takat. Okay. Anyway, lemon is very good for low BP problems. I'm just giving some tips here. So here Jupiter can be the Karaka because 7th house got activated. Correct? Or Rahu Ketu could be the Karaka. Lemon is usually yellow in color, which is the color of Jupiter. It doesn't mean all vegetables which are yellow in color will be governed by Jupiter. Okay. But what I'm trying to tell you all is keep on experimenting, keep on experimenting. You need not do Prashna. You need not do Prashna because somebody asked you to do. You can do it on your own. Are you all getting it?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing? I'm breaking the rule of
Yes.
traditional astrology. You are observing nature. Are you getting it?
Yes.
What is nature talking right now? Is what you are observing. You getting it? Somebody's background noise is going on. So you are observing nature. Nature is the biggest teacher, biggest guru. Okay?
Sir, can I ask a question? Nidhi here. So like I have a frozen shoulder problem, and a lot of pain is there in my left shoulder since past 1 month. I took physiotherapy sessions also. It improved, but it's back again. So according to what you said of the Dan, right? Now, ye muscles, this is a muscles problem. Then is it muscles is Mars? Is it? Will the grains? So can you please guide on that?
Usually it is Jupiter according to some people.
Okay, the muscles are Jupiter.
But
So
as per current Prashna, Mars is giving you a problem. If you have constructed the Prashna right now.
okay. So then giving red lentils on my nakshatra day would help.
Or on Tuesday also.
Or on Tuesday also. Okay. Thank you.
See,